If I wrote a note to God, I would speak what's in my soul. I'd ask for all the hate to be swept away, for love to overflow. If I wrote a note to God, I'd put my heart down on each page. I'd ask for wars to end and for peace to mend this world. I say, give us the strength to make it through. Help us find love, 'cause love is overdue when it seems